This is Robert at Farm Bureau's Grain Division bringing you the Merchandiser Minute for Friday, January 25th, 2019, at the end of a short trading week where we saw tight futures ranges in Chicago. The trade has been totally focused on politics for the week. We did get an announcement from the president today that the government would be temporarily reopening, and that hopefully will get USDA export sales reports, crop production reports, other reports back in the pipeline, and getting that information out to the trade sooner rather than later should have a very positive impact on your price. There have been a lot of rumors again this week of export sales, and we hope to find out if those rumors are true or not as soon as the USDA can be putting those reports out. We did get a private analytic firm this week, Informa, release numbers about 2019 expected acreage for corn and soybeans in the United States. 91.5 million corn acres, 86.2 million bean acres. Keep your eye on those numbers. We won't get the official number from the USDA until the end of March, but the traders definitely are looking at those heavily as they make decisions about buying and selling futures contracts. When we look at demand, the corn demand is excellent. We know so far this marketing year, I took a look at the chart today. We're 25 cents a bushel ahead on corn futures today from where we were a year ago today, and that's definitely because of the strong demand for corn. Think about that as you're trying to make decisions on pricing your old crop bushels and your new crop bushels. The opposite is true for beans. The large carryout number that the USDA is proposing is putting downward pressure on bean futures prices, and you need to look at that as you're thinking about marketing old and new crop beans. Next week is again going to be about South American weather. We know 25% of the growing region in Brazil is suffering from drought. We did see some weather premium coming into the futures this week on the soybean side because of this lack of rain in Brazil. And the Chinese trade team will arrive in Washington on Monday, 2 days early before the proposed talks that will take place between our two governments on Wednesday and Thursday. So keep your eye on those talks. There's a lot of optimism in the trade that we're getting closer to a deal with our partner China. So let us know if we can help you. Thanks for listening. This is Robert at Farm Bureau's Grain Division.